In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in Asana. Milestones are a fantastic way to track major objectives and keep your projects on track, helping you visually signify significant achievements. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add milestones to any of your Asana projects with ease and clarity. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Asana website. If you haven't logged in already, you'll see the Login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Give that button a click and you'll be presented with various login options. For this demonstration, let's click on Continue with Google. This method will allow you to select your Google account, which automatically logs you into your Asana workspace if your accounts are already linked. From here, you'll find yourself inside your Asana environment, ready to dive into your projects. Now, you'll want to navigate to the specific project for which you want to create a milestone. You can find your projects listed on the left panel of the Asana interface. Once you've identified the appropriate project, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the project dashboard, where you'll have a comprehensive view of all the tasks and elements associated with that particular project. Next, focus your attention on the Add Task drop-down, which can typically be found at the top of your task list within the project view. Click on this drop-down and a list will appear. Among the options, you'll notice one labeled Milestone. That's exactly what we're looking for. By selecting Milestone, you're telling Asana that this is more than just a regular task. It's a key event or objective you want to highlight. After you click on the milestone option, the interface will ask for the milestone's name. It's crucial to choose a name that's both succinct and descriptive. A well-chosen milestone name helps not only you but your teammates understand what this signifies in the context of your project. So take a moment to think about how you'll label it. Once you've decided on the perfect name, go ahead and type it in. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a milestone to your project in Asana. Milestones are a powerful way to communicate goals and progress within your team and stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is on the same page about what needs to be achieved and when. Now you can visually track and emphasize these pivotal moments in your projects. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial and happy project managing. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.